Barbecued apple butter turkey wings. Oh, look how beautiful this is. It is absolutely delicious. And I want you to try to make this. These turkey wings are wonderful. Do you want to make these with me? Come on, let me show you how to make these. Let's go cook. Let's cook with ease. Love you guys. Peace. For our apple butter barbecue turkey wings, I'm going to make a spread for the turkey wings, and the spread is going to include 2 sticks of butter, this Maggie pollo chicken flavor. I'm going to include, no, that's later, lemon pepper. This is like garlic powder, but it's a garlic spread. I got this at Costco. It's really good. And this apple rub brings out a lot of good seasoning and adobo. So I'm going to mix this all together, and I'm going to show you what it looks like shortly. Okay, I'm going to try to do this quickly. The butter is room temperature. I'll put some adobo in there. Some of this apple rub really brings out the apple flavor. Some lemon pepper. You know, turkey is so bland, it has no flavor at all, so we want to bring out the flavor as much as we can, especially while it's cooking. Let's mix this up. Okay, next I'm going to spread this on the turkey. Let me get this all mixed up. I'll be right back. Okay, our mix is all mixed up. Now I'm going to start spreading this mixture onto our turkey. You want to make sure you get every nook and cranny. This is a very important part to make sure that it gets all the flavor that you want. Everywhere. Now you all, I use my hands. I'm going to keep one free just in case I have to do something. You want this on every part, and even put some, ooh, put a little extra on there. Now even if you have some paprika, would be good. Maybe I might put some on there, but not right now. All right, flip it over. All right, you all, I'm going to get this all coated. I'm going to do both of them, and then I'll let you know what the next step is. If you have any questions about this, just comment below and let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'm gonna coat all this up and I'll be right back. So here are our turkey wings, and I've covered them with our garlic butter sauce. And I'm gonna sprinkle some lemon pepper on top of this. You all, we want this to be really, really flavorful. And I'm also going to add some water to the bottom, because this is going to be in the oven for about 2 hours. You know, turkey is tough. Then as the juices melt to the bottom, we'll get to baste it So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. 2 hours, you all, and then I'll check it and I'll show you what it looks like. And we'll be right back. While our turkey wings are in the oven, let's go ahead and mix some of this barbecue sauce together that we're going to put on top of it. Now, that was the base, so that's the barbecue sauce. Now let's put some apple butter. Notice I'm not measuring because I want to see what it's going to taste like. So, but apple butter is so good, you all. You see, it's almost the same color, right? Okay, so we have that. It's pretty much the same ingredients we use to flavor the turkey. Let's put some of this apple seasoning. This is an apple rub that I found online. Here's the juice of a lemon. I'm not going to put all that in at once. Just gradually. It's going to give it a good tangy flavor. This is some brown sugar. Some liquid smoke. An instant smoke flavor. Oh, I like that flavor. That's why I put so much in there. Some adobo. Some lemon pepper. And this garlic spread. Let's put some here in. Now, as we go, you have to taste it and see how you like it. I'm also going to put a little butter in there. I'm going to put this on the stove and let this simmer. All right, I want to show you what it looks like once it starts simmering. I'll be back. All right, so I'm about to show you what this looks like fresh out of the oven. I'm going to have to do some things different because some things have changed with what I had planned on doing. But here we go with this. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover this with the sauce that we made. And I'll be right back. I'll show you what it looks like. Actually, before we put all that on there, look at all this good stock down here. We're going to use this stock. Put this right. Ooh, it smells so good. Put this stock right on top here. Both of them. I wish you all could smell this. This is all that butter and everything that we put on top of here. Now this has actually been cooking for like 3 hours. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that good juice right there. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that I cover it, and then it's going to go under the broiler. All right, hold on, I'll be right back. You all, because that stock was so delicious, I ended up getting one of my old pans that I don't mind to go under the broiler, because that's what's going to happen with these wings. I'm going to put them under the broiler and let these get all crispy. Now this one, the sheet pan here, I don't mind if it gets all, this is my special sheet pan. All right, you all, under the broiler, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Now you want to save this good stock, because this makes really good gravy, really good soup, and it's already seasoned, so this is delicious. This is wonderful. So you all save this, because this is liquid gold right here. Okay, and right here you can see everything that was strained out. Liquid gold. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, stay with me, because I'm right here. I'm taking them right out. Ooh, oven. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you all. Our apple butter barbecue turkey wings are done. Oh, they're smoking hot. Okay, I'm going to let these cool off, and I'm going to plate them up for you. Can you see them? Look at that. All right, I'll be right back. Hold on.